Okay, this is how to set the digital thermostat. Okay, high air Korea, and then there is a four wires. Okay, 220 supply, and then output 1 and 2. This is for the compressor 1, compressor 2. Example, output 1 to command the relay, and the relay command the solenoid to open. And then also this one, output 2, same. Connect to the relay, and then the relay opens the solenoid for number 2. And then after opening the solenoid number 2, for example, the compressor will run because it detects there is a pressure on the suction. Okay, but we focus on this one, digital thermometer. How to set? There is a key, 3 keys, mode, up and down. Then this is the out 1, out 2. Example, out 1, if this is illuminated, the output 1 has power going to the relay. And then same with this one. Okay, for example, mode, there is a 4 modes, 5 modes. Example, set point 1, 23. Then when you press mode, differential, that is 2. That is differential temperature for set point 1. And then enter mode, set point 2. That is for the setting for the out number 2, 23. You can check up and down to set. Okay, then mode, differential 2. The setting is 2. Example, 3 or 1. It's up to you. Okay, then this one, J and B. This is the correction for the temperature. Example, 22. We put 5. Put 5. Enter. 22 plus 5. Okay. Then lock, off. If you press this one on or off, you select on and off. Off is intended for change the setting, but on you can lock the setting. Okay, 22 plus 5, 27. Okay, that is the correction. We will go to the JNB mode. Zero, 5, 0. It is possible to minus 2 also. 22 minus 2 means 20. See, 20. Okay. Put back to 0. Lock mode. Okay. 22. Example, 22. There is no out. Set point, sample 22. Press 22 and then differential 2. Means, you should see, the out 1 is illuminated. Means, the compressor 1 will start because the solenoid will open. And then when reaching 20, because your differential is 2, that is the time that the output will cut off. That is the purpose of differential, because it avoids short cycle. Because if 22, if the compressor runs, it will off if there is no differential. This is the best monitoring, because there is a differential, so that to avoid short cycle. 22, and then it cut off 20. If it reaches 20, the aircon will stop, because that is the setting of the differential. Okay, thank you very much.
If you learned from this video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell for more updates. Also follow us on Facebook Barco TV. Thanks for watching.